In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes in Google Docs, whether you're collaborating with a team or just want to keep an eye on the evolution of your document over time. Understanding how to track changes can be incredibly useful. So, let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident about navigating and using this feature. First, what you'll want to do is open your Google Doc. This might seem straightforward, but it's the essential starting point. Once your document is open and you're ready to dive in, direct your attention to the menu bar located at the top of your Google Docs interface. You'll see several options here, but for our purposes, go ahead and click on File. After clicking File, a drop-down menu will appear. You're going to want to look for and select the option labeled Version History. Once your cursor hovers over it, another submenu will appear. From there, click on See Version History. This action is crucial as it unlocks a comprehensive view of your document's history, revealing all past iterations. When you select See Version History, a sidebar will pop up on the right side of your document workspace. This sidebar is a treasure trove of information, providing a detailed list of all the previous versions of your document. You might notice labels or timestamps next to each entry. These denote when changes were made. Take your time to browse through this list. Clicking on any of these past versions will allow you to see precisely who made changes and exactly what modifications took place at each point in time. It's a fantastic way to pinpoint specific alterations or to understand the document's progression. Now, if you're looking for a bit more efficiency, there's a neat shortcut you might find handy. In the upper right corner of the Google Docs screen, there's a clock icon. Clicking on this clock icon is a quick way to access the version history without having to navigate through the menu bar. It's just a small feature, but one that saves you a few clicks, especially beneficial when you need to frequently reference version history. And there you have it, a simple yet effective guide to tracking changes in Google Docs. This feature is invaluable for collaboration, allowing everyone to see how a document has evolved and ensuring that all the contributions are transparent and retrievable. By understanding and utilizing version history, you gain greater control and insight into your work, enhancing your ability to collaborate efficiently. So next time you're in Google Docs, give it a try and see how it can benefit your workflow.